In this video, I'll show you how to check your Cash App card shipping status and see when your Cash App card will arrive. First, open the Cash App on your phone just like I have here. This is the home screen of the app. Once you're here, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. You'll now be taken to your account page, where you can see different sections and options related to your profile and Cash Card. Follow these steps carefully, so you don't miss anything. Now, scroll down through the list of options until you find one named Support. Tap on Support and wait for the page to fully load. Once the page loads, you'll see multiple categories for help and assistance. Scroll down a bit and look for the section labeled Cash Card. Tap on Cash Card to continue. You'll now see a few more options related to your Cash Card. From here, tap on Cash Card Delivery. This section shows details about when your Cash App card will arrive and if it has already been shipped. You'll also find helpful information about how long delivery usually takes and what to do if your card hasn't arrived yet. If you still can't find the exact status or need more details about your delivery, scroll down to the bottom of this page. At the bottom, you'll see a section called Contact Us. Under it, tap on the chat option. Once the chat window opens, you'll enter the direct support room where you can chat with the Cash App team. Here, you can type your message to ask about your Cash App card delivery. You can write something like, "Hi, I recently ordered my Cash App card and would like to check the shipping status. Can you please tell me when it will arrive?" After sending your message, a support representative will respond shortly to give you your card's delivery update. And that's it. That's how you check your Cash App card shipping status and find out when your Cash App card will arrive.